Most people feel that they have to find motivation to keep them going. But as we know, motivation is not unlimited, it does run out. And so as we become more dependent on this motivation, when there is no motivation to be found, we simply will not do what we need for our goals in life. And then we wonder why we aren't where we want to be in life. But successful people understand that not every day they're going to have the motivation to really get into the work and be pumped to do it. They understand this, and even though they understand this, they are willing to put in the work anyways. They learn to detach their emotions from their actions to get things done. Having focus is an extremely important factor to this. The inability to focus on things can really hinder what you want in your goals, what you want for yourself. In this video, I will give you 3 easy tips that will literally 10x your focus. At the end of this video, I will give you 2 bonus tips that are extremely crucial and important and can make or break any of the rest of these tips in this video. Being someone who is naturally very curious and always trying to understand the world, I am always going between different projects and different things, and even creating new ones in between them. It's a whole chaotic process for me. I am constantly losing focus to one thing and the next. I even procrastinated on this video. But you know, spending hours going from topic to topic, going deeper into this black abyss of information, I always end up rushing, trying to get the things that are extremely important to me done. And this really stressed me out. So, to ensure that we stay focused, here's what we can do. Analyze, action, and realize. Analyze. Ask yourself, what are the factors that could be eliciting this lack of focus? Do you have a short attention span? Do you always catch yourself grabbing for your phone? You have to be aware of these things that you're doing. Action. Now that you are aware of these things that could be disrupting your focus, you have to remove them. If you have a short attention span, I recommend doing the Pomodoro technique, where you spend a amount of time doing focused work and then giving yourself a timed break and then just refresh and do it again. Or if you find yourself always reaching for your phone in a state of stress or boredom, I suggest putting it in a different room. I think changing your environment can really help you focus. You can also increase your focus through meditation. I have recently picked this up, and I think that meditation has a lot more benefits than just increasing focus. But I think that meditation was a really big factor in my improvement with concentration and focus. Realize it is important that you recognize the difference between boredom and a burnout. If you are bored with the work you're doing, this means that you're disengaged with your work, and you should probably just take a short break and you should be fine to come back to it. But if you are burnt out, it means that you have used up a lot of energy and it's taking a strain on your body. I suggest taking a self-care day. You should treat yourself with as much care as you treat your work or your passions. If you fail to do this, it will reflect in your work. Lastly, it is important that you do not beat yourself up when you do lose focus. It is nothing to feel guilty over. It's going to happen. You're going to lose focus sometimes. And that is okay. Your entire world, your empire that you're building, is not going to crumble just because you watch 3 episodes of Powerpuff Girls. Just watch your episodes and then take a step back and refocus. You also have to recognize that our emotions are not always in one consistent state. Not every day is going to be a happy and motivated day. There will be days where you will feel like doing absolutely nothing. But what separates successful people from the rest is that they are able to continue working on their goals even though necessarily that day might not be the most exciting. They learn to detach their emotions from their actions because they understand that in the long term, this will benefit them more than any short-term gratification that they might receive in the moment. Focus is a very important thing when in pursuit of our goals, but learning how to adapt when things do not go your way is necessary. So I suggest that you watch this video next to learn how to navigate failure and use it to your advantage. Through incorporating these tips, you will be able to optimize focus, have a better quality of life, and overall happiness, and make time for your best work in the present moment. And remember, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times.